Are you tired of recurrent cold and cough in your children's? Common due to their developing immune system and frequent exposure to germs in social settings like school or daycare. Homeopathic medicine does not suppress your symptoms, it works with body's natural defense mechanism. It is safe, gentle, and often addresses the root cause of your problem and gives the permanent solution. The best part is kids love taking our medicine and making the healing process easy for everyone. If you are facing the same issue with your kids, then just book an appointment on the below numbers.